Okay. You have to smile and wave. Give me
And
a
what?
wave. Smile and wave.
I can't wave. I've got holding my napkin.
Well, then say hello.
No, because I know what the truth is,
Hello.
and that's the only way I'm out of it.
Why don't you take your glasses off? Because
Do you
they
care
look
that
like
you're annoying, Mom?
What?
you're annoying.
The bike, so the old man would have been happy to see that bike. It's always nice to see.
I'm not annoying.
Yes, you are.
You're accosting her while she's eating her messy dessert.
Well, you can be annoying.
But I wasn't at that moment.
Patty, look at her.
She's not going to look. I'm going to turn this around so I get in the picture. How's that? Oh, I can't do it on movies. Okay. I'm not in this movie.
Original songs.
So you stand there and laugh at me.
Yeah. This is going on the internet.
You got Steak and Shake has TV commercials.
On Match.com. Well, hurry up.
You don't need Match.com, Mom. You've got enough pursuers. Suitors. All right, say goodbye.
Goodbye.